To connect your business email to your Wix account, start by accessing your dashboard. From there, you'll need to connect your domain. You can do this by selecting the Connect option, or by navigating to the Communications section of your website's content. Once you've chosen to connect your domain, you'll be prompted to select the domain you want to use. This could be a custom domain that reflects your business's niche, such as a tech, design, or blog-specific domain. When selecting a domain, consider choosing one that is catchy and easy for customers to find on Google, as this will make it easier to position your website for search engine optimization. SEO. Once you've selected your domain, you may need to upgrade your site to assign it to your domain. To do this, choose a plan that suits your needs, such as a business or light plan, which may include features like collaborations, marketing suites, and a free domain for a year. After connecting your domain, you can set up your business email. Wix will guide you through the process, which includes verifying your email address and setting up your account. With a professional email address, you'll be able to access Google's full suite of workspace tools and enhance your business's online presence.